I can't believe it's here. I bought the scooter recently. It is of course the Inmotion Air. Now if you have never seen my Inmotion Climber video, I would definitely suggest you go and have a look at that. I love Inmotion scooters. They are one of the highest quality. We'll have a look at the specs in a few minutes, but let's take this out of the box and let's just have a look what we get. So here we go. You get your manual here. You get your charger, which is a 2 amp hour output charger. You get some screws as well. Let me just take this out. Inmotion is definitely probably one of, if not the best scooter brands out there. Oh look, we actually have a surprise in the box. So let me just put our connectors in and then we'll have a look. One thing you don't see from a lot of electric scooter manufacturers is they give you a spare tube, and actually the spare tubes on a lot of the Inmotion scooters are actually the thicker type as well, which is very good to see. Why don't other electric scooter manufacturers do this? I'm not sure, but that's a bonus. Fairly simple. This should be as light as a feather. I'm actually very excited to actually get this because me and my wife would actually be able to use the Climber and this. So we'll go through the specs now in a second. Let me just pop the screws on, and you only get actually 4 screws with this scooter. So we have actually indicators on this. I need to activate the scooter. You of course have your accelerator here. Very nice built in. Wow, very really cool. Actually soft grips, extreme quality from Inmotion. You have of course a front light here, which is really nice, same as the Inmotion Climber. Coming down the stem here, really nice folding mechanism. You of course have nice tires. I can see of course front drum brake there, and then of course we have a really nice looking deck, very easy to clean, and that rear motor. Okay, so let's talk about what the specs are. It is of course 22 mile per hour maximum speed. I'm in Europe, so I'm gonna have to see if I can unlock that. It has 30 miles long range, dual braking system. The rear motor on this is actually 750 watts. And of course the best IP rating is IP55, but I think the actual battery on this as well is IPX7, similar to that of the Inmotion Climber, which is very good, one of the highest IP ratings in the market. So let's charge the scooter, check the tires, check everything else, bring it on a first ride, and then of course I will do a review at a later stage. And if you have any questions, leave them below.